Hey you guys, so it is Sunday. I'm on my way to my job because I have to work this weekend. So this weekend was like really boring. There wasn't really anything interesting going on. The only thing I had interesting going on was when I went out the other day, and I should have recorded that, but I didn't feel like picking up the camera, so I didn't. I did it live last night for those of you who watched it, and I talked about how people come back into your life and you know what to expect. And I just wanted to say in that video, you know, if someone comes back into your life, you do not have to accept them if you don't want to. That is just like my, you know, experience or whatever. But sometimes it's good to leave people in the past, because I know like when people hurt you and they show that they don't really F with you for real, but you keep trying to hold on to a relationship that's no longer serving you, most of the time it's not going to be like how it was from before. This person is trying to drive fast. I don't know what their problem is, but it's like they're trying to drive, and I hope they're not trying to be in my lane, because people be trying to drive fast and they be trying to speed up with you and get in your lane. Like, I'm not in the mood for that. I gotta go to my job. But anyway, people will try to, you know, try to come back into your life, and sometimes when people show you they're ugly, you gotta believe them, because it's just what it is. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a scenario. So last year, you know, like before I got my apartment and everything, there were people coming back into my life from the past, and I let them back in, and guess what? They still showed me that they didn't really care about me for real. So I had to turn my back on them this year. Despite the fact that we were cool, despite the fact that I forgave them, I just didn't trust them anymore. Like, I just couldn't do it. And this is what I mean. So me, like, I'm big on birthdays. Like, even if you tell me happy birthday, I'm happy. But if you don't tell me happy birthday, and then you act like my birthday doesn't exist, and then when your birthday rolls around, you're all wanting to celebrate and have a party, I got a problem with that, because I celebrated you on your birthday, but you don't want to celebrate me on my birthday. So I was like, I'm not celebrating that person. So I moved on with my life. I was like, you know what? This relationship is one-sided. And also, if you have someone that, you know, comes back into your life because they are one-sided, absolutely let them go. Let them go. Y'all, if y'all didn't watch that live stream, go watch it, because nobody came in my live yesterday, but it's all good. But cut those people off. Like, if they don't want to, you know, try to show that they're cool, or they're cool, but the only reason why they're cool is because you F with them. They don't F with you. All means, leave them in the dirt. Don't let them stay around. What you gonna let them stay around for? That'd be your stupidity if you let them stay around. So that's what I needed to say in that video. But I think I said it in a different way. But nah, just like somebody trying to do you dirty, it's time to let them go. And a lot of times, as humans, we, or as people, we just go with the okie-doke or go with the flow and fish fillet. But after I found out all the crap that they try to do with those fries, I'm over it. I'm not eating that. So it's like the next freaking day, and I had to break the vlog up because the other video wouldn't allow me to upload it. It said it didn't have enough storage, even though I pay monthly for Apple. But y'all, I've been sick for the whole day. Literally, I've been sick. I've not been feeling good at all. So I decided to kind of get my feet done, make me feel better. This salon is actually next to my place, so I could got some stuff on my neck. But yeah, getting my feet done at this salon. Never been to this nail salon before, so I'm excited. I'm just gonna get my feet done though. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I feel like it's something I can't get off. Anyway, so that's what I'm getting done, my feet.
I miss you. I'm a little tipsy. I think about you all the time. Call me back.
So I arrived back to the house. Every time I pick up this camera, my lips is ashy. Need some lip gloss. Anyway, I'm in the house making chicken, so I am cooking today, and I wasn't feeling good earlier. That's why I didn't pick the camera up. But like, I was in a lot of pain. I even threw up, so I just didn't feel good. But now I'm in the house cooking. Y'all see me get my feet done. I'm so happy I got my feet done because my feet were looking a mess and they were hurting, and so I needed to get them done. Sometimes when you don't get your feet done for a long time, they can start hurting when you wear your shoes. So like that pain, no, I can't endure that. So I got my feet done. Let me show y'all the chicken I'm cooking. This is my chicken right here. It's cooking really nicely. Drumsticks normally take a while. Like they really take a while to cook. So I'm gonna also make some mac and cheese, but yeah, these drumsticks is taking a minute to cook, so yeah. This is the collard greens that I made. I didn't put bell peppers in it this time because I simply don't have anymore, but my greens are looking pretty good. So they've been cooking for a while. So once that last piece of chicken, I don't even know what I'm gonna do that piece, but anyway, I'm gonna take this out and then I'm gonna put the mac and cheese on. But I'm just having me a little southern dinner, fried chicken, mac and cheese, So yeah, but these greens are everything. They look so good, you guys. Like, I'm loving the way these greens look. This is my meal. I got my fried chicken that I made. It took all day or whatever. I have my collard greens, my mac and cheese, but boy, this looks so freaking good, you guys. Like, literally, I'm loving my food. And I know it's about to be good. I spent so much time cooking it. And on my days off, this is what I like to do, even though I didn't feel good earlier. But I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get a video every time I upload. But yes, this is my food, you guys, and I'm about to enjoy. So I will see you guys in my next video. But y'all can't tell me nothing. Your girl gets down. I get down, period.